Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes Trini-style. Start by mixing dry ingredients in one bowl and wet in another. Then combine gently until just moistened. Fold in grated coconut and a pinch of nutmeg for authentic aroma. Allow the batter to rest while you heat a skillet on medium to create golden edges and soft centers with every flip. Use simple pantry staples and a few island touches for authentic taste. Measure flour and baking powder carefully to keep pancakes tender. Stir in grated coconut and sugar for texture and subtle sweetness. Swap regular milk for coconut milk or evaporated milk when you want a creamier batter. Whisk eggs and melted butter separately, then fold gently to keep air in the mixture and produce light, fluffy pancakes on the griddle. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation, on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Upgrade to Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort when you're flipping pancakes early mornings. I love the snug fit and durability. It keeps me moving while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat your skillet over medium and grease lightly to prevent sticking. Drop batter in 3 to 4 inch rounds and keep them evenly spaced to cook through. Watch for bubbles and set edges before flipping to keep insides soft. Use a spatula to flip confidently and finish for a minute or two. Keep finished pancakes warm on a low oven rack while you cook remaining batter for a perfect stack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.